Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your PDF reader app. To know how to fix or how to solve your PDF reader, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that you will enter or you click on all PDF reader as you see here. Then this page of app info, you click on first stop and you click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end, you can go to Play Store. You can search about PDF reader. And you can update your app here if you find update. Sorry, not here. You can go to this app that you install. So please don't forget to support us.